Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. How do you read and write text files in Python? Have you ever wondered how apps save your notes, game progress or chat logs? The secret lies in a superpower you are about to learn today. Reading and writing files in Python. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to open, read and write files in Python, the difference between modes like R, W and A, how to loop through files line by line, and finish with a mini note-taking project. So let's start the video. So firstly, let us understand what is file handling. So imagine you are writing a journal. Every time you write something, you want it saved, right? That's what a file handling does. It lets your code store data permanently, read saved files later, or update logs, configs, user input, and more. In Python, you can do all this with the open function. So, firstly, let us understand what is an open function. So, we'll see a basic simple example with open function. So I have already created my file.txt file and saved in the root directly. So you also create the same file name and you can save it in your directory. So here my file.txt is the file name. It must exist when reading, and R is for read mode. So when we run this reads the file, and if this file is not available, this will give an error. So let's check for the error while changing the file name, as I don't have any file named file.txt, so this must give an error. So as you can see, this gives an error, file not found, because we don't have such file in our directory. So now let's quickly break down the different file modes you will use. So the first is R, which is for read. File must exist, then only R will read the file. The second one is W, means write, overwrites or creates a new file. The third one is A, which is append, adds to the end. And the fourth one is R plus, this is read plus write. And the fifth one is X, this creates a file and fails if the file already exists. So these are the modes action we'll learn in this video. So let's start the video by reading the file. So here with open function, this ensures the file is safely closed afterwards, and read function grabs the full file content as a string and print shows it in the console. So now let's check what we have saved in our file. So as in our txt file we have saved hello Python, so this is the content it printed in the console. So you can also read line by line with a loop. So let's try this with an example. So strip removes new lines and trailing spaces. So this is the output of this example. And now if you want all lines in a list, you can use read lines. So let's see an example using read lines. So as you can see, the content of the file gives the output in a list using read lines. And now let's create a new file and we'll write to it. So here W creates or overrides the file and each write function adds text. Don't forget /n for a new line. And now let's see one another special thing is appending to a file. So now let's say you don't want to overwrite, you want to add something. That's where append mode comes in. So here A mode adds content at the end of the file, great for logging system and cumulative writing. And now let's move to the next example, which is reading and writing together. Want to read and write in one go? Use R plus. So here the cursor position matters. After .read function, it's at the end, so writing happens at the end. Now I'll tell you some common mistakes to avoid. So forgetting to close files. This is very common mistake. So use with open. Using W when you meant A. So W overwrites everything. Wrong file path. Always use full or relative path correctly. Now let's dive into note taking mini project. We will finish this fast. So let's start this. So here we have simply created a note-taking app, and this will print all the notes which were saved in your file. So as these are all the notes we have saved in our file. So this was a mini note-taking app. And now deleting or checking a file. Want to check if a file exists or delete one? So use the OS module. So OS module will help you to delete the file and check if the file exists or not. So in today's video, we knew how to read files line by line or in one go, write and append data, avoid common mistakes, and build a simple note-taking project. So this is one of the most essential Python skill. You can use this in login system, web apps, data pipelines, machine learning, and more. So if you liked the video, if it helped you, then do like, subscribe and share the video. So thanks for watching today's video.